Hey beauty babes, welcome to my channel. I'm Maria, aka Agape Love Girl. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. This is a bit of a random unboxing, but I did receive this really awesome beauty box. It's the Clean Beauty Kit right here, and I am going to be doing a live, like kind of, well, not live, but true unboxing. So I did see some sneak peeks of what I believe is in this kit, but I can't remember because it was a while ago. I've had this for about a week now, and I want to like unbox it with you guys on camera. So let me just tell you a little bit about this box. This was sent to me from Cassandra McClure. She is the creator of the Lash Binder, which you guys have seen me use before. It's a little lash tool. I'll put a video on the screen so you guys can see if you haven't seen it. It's a really awesome tool you guys have seen me use before on my channel as well as on my Instagram. I think a lot more. But anyway, she created this Clean Beauty Kit, and I'm just going to read a little description. It says, the Clean Beauty Kit is curated by celebrity makeup artist Cassandra McClure. Each month, a box with 8 to 10 full-size, clean, and sustainable products that are made by women in the United States is highlighted after it is approved by Cassandra's Clean Beauty Code. So I'll put more information about the Clean Beauty Kit. I believe it is a subscription, if I am understanding correctly. So I'll put all the information in the description box so you guys can learn more, and whatever is in this box I'll try to list it and link it as well, since it is women made and it's clean beauty. And so if it's anything you're interested in to purchase individually and you want the information, all that's going to be in the description box. But with that being said, let me go ahead and get into the unboxing because I'm really excited to see what it is and to share with you guys what is in here. But I do actually really quickly just want to say thank you to Cassandra for sending this to me. I'm really excited to see what's in here and to help her promote her new Clean Beauty Kit subscription box. So that being said, let's go ahead and open it up. This is what it looks like upon first opening. So packaged really cutely. There is a little card in here. So this is Cassandra. She's so pretty. And that's the box. So let's go ahead and open this up. This says, thank you for supporting my small business, wrapped up really nicely. Oh my gosh, this is super cute. Oh my goodness. I want to know, I hope there's going to be something in here that's going to tell me what brand it is, because it says thank you for supporting my small business, but I'm not sure if it's something that this is something Cassandra made or if it's another small business. I would imagine another small business, but I'm not sure. But I want to link everything below because this is really, really cute. I love the cheetah print. Oh my gosh, this is really pretty. I'm guessing it's handmade, so this does have like a little bendy bar right here, so you can form it to your nose. It has some little adjustable bead here, so you can fit it to your ears. And now that I am working outside of the home, I do have to wear a mask for 8 hours a day at work, and this one's super, super cute. I actually really like the way it looks with my makeup today. I really digging this, which by the way, if you guys are curious of what's on my face, I did not film this at all. I literally just decided to do my makeup and then randomly decided that I would go ahead and film this video today. But I do like how my makeup is looking, but I'll list everything that I'm wearing in the description box. There's a lot of Lottie London and then stuff from my makeup basket, which I did post a makeup basket video. It's like super old. I filmed it back in November and only just recently got the chance to edit it, but it's pretty much current. There are a few new things in my makeup basket now that aren't in that video, but anyways, yeah, enough of my rambling. That's a super cute mask. Really, really love it. Let's go ahead and move on. So there is a drink in here. So this is lemon lime naturally flavored sparkling beverage. Gosh, I feel I'm seriously so out of the filming habit, so I'm like gonna be so tongue-tied and I don't know, like a mess in this video. I apologize, but anyway, so this is Koi, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, Koi organic kombucha, and it says it's packed with probiotics, organic kombucha, the easy drinking, great tasting, fruit forward, friendly kombucha. And I've heard a lot about kombucha. Am I even saying that right? I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but I've never tasted it. So I'm kind of, maybe, do I want to try this right now? I'm gonna save that for another time because I actually can't I don't really have taste right now. So anyways, let's go ahead and move on with the box. So there's some more. Oh, perfect. So I was gonna grab mine. I do actually have the Lash Binder already on my dresser where I get ready, but there's actually one included in this box, which is actually really cool. So this is what it looks like. So in case you couldn't tell from the little video I put on the screen, this is the Lash Binder. Opens up like this, so you can apply your lashes. So that I do have an extra one, so I might give that away to somebody since I already have one. But it is a really handy tool for applying lashes. Really love it. Then the next thing we have in here is DNA Sustainable Threads. Upcycle your fashion. DNA all sizes and genders, upcycled and designed from dead stock garments and accessories. Zero waste and zero landfills. So that's the card, that's the brand. There's something in here, maybe, what is it? Oh, how cute! Oh my gosh, it's a scrunchie. Okay, I was thinking it was going to be jewelry, but it sounded like it was going to be clothing, but so it's a scrunchie, super, super cute. I've definitely been into scrunchies a lot lately. I'm wearing this big fat one that my daughter gave me. I love it. But this one is adorable. So it's got this cute little knotted bow. It's like this satiny fabric, and it's green, which is one of my very, very favorite colors. This one is stinking adorable. So this was handmade by the brand DNA. So I will try to, of course, make sure I link everything in the description box, but that's super, super cute. I love it, actually. This is freaking adorable. I love it. Okay, so I am seeing some jewelry in here, and these look so stinking precious. So this is from, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, or I'm gonna pronounce it right, but Mahalyn. It's Mahalyn. And these are rose quartz earrings. Super, super cute. Oh my goodness, I love them. That's so, so pretty. I'm so excited. I'm so thankful for receiving this box. Okay, so the next thing we have here is oh my gosh, I feel like I'm not going to pronounce anything correctly, but Allevita. This is a natural feminine relief. There's pills, so a soothing daytime formula for PMS support. It has hemp extract, green tea extract, cramp bark, magnesium, vitamin B6. There's 30 capsules, and they're obviously a dietary supplement. So I actually am someone who is very, very fortunate that I don't really deal with really terrible PMS or periods or anything like that. The worst I get is like sometimes my lower back aches. So I don't really ever take anything during that time because I tend to feel fine. Fortunately, I know a lot of you are going to hate me because I've said that, but my daughter is someone, unfortunately, that deals with really terrible cramping and all of the symptoms of that time of the month that we go through. So that might be something possibly I'll look into seeing that might be good for her to try. So that's interesting. Okay, this I do recall, now that I'm seeing some of this stuff, I do recall seeing some of the sneak peeks, and this is something that's a little bit interesting. Definitely a little bit more of a mature product, but still I'm intrigued to have it in here. So this is the Good Clean Love Almost Naked 95% organic personal lubricant. So that was also included in this box, which this video is probably going to go up in January, because today is actually the 30th of December, but this is the was, I believe, the December/holiday box. So what I'm getting probably is not available anymore. So if you get one of these clean beauty kits, it'll probably be a totally new box, but I'm just kind of showing you. This gives you a good idea of what you know, the kind of items that you can get in a box and how much, and obviously they're all full size, and that's really exciting. So anyways, very interesting. So if you're someone who's looking for an organic personal lubricant, I didn't know that was a thing, but Interesting. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on. Oh, there's like kind of another thing from I think that same brand. So Good Clean Love. This is, I have like a hair somewhere. I keep trying to reach for it. It's like, there it is. Okay. This is a pH Balance Personal Wash. So made with more than 60% premium aloe. So a feminine kind of hygiene kind of product. So very interesting there as well. And this one's a little bit smaller. So here's kind of like the size difference. So I would say, I don't know if this is actually like full size, but maybe just the size they offer. So the lubricant is a 1.5 fluid ounces, whereas the wash is a 1 fluid ounce. So kind of a little bit more of a little deluxe size, or like a travel personal size kind of a thing. There's a couple more items in here, and I'll also just have to show like some more of how this was packaged. There's even like a little natural leaf in there, like a natural leaf in here, and then a couple more items that look like makeup-y. Really excited for that. So this is the Rejuva Minerals Natural Eye and Brow Pencil. Easy Glide On Twist Up Pencil. Looks like this. So Black Sapphire is the color. So if this is this is an eye and a brow pencil. So it could be an eyeliner or a brow pencil. Since my hair is blonde and I do my brows still a pretty dark color, I wouldn't use black in them, so this would probably have to be more of an eyeliner pencil for me. But let's see what it looks like. Ooh, the packaging is actually really cute. And I don't know if I'm saying the brand right, but Rejuva, I don't know. You guys, I'm sorry, I'm failing at this. Here's what it looks like. Okay, so a little twist up black liner pencil. And oh, I'm such a mess. Oh my gosh, I'm so I haven't filmed in so long. I feel so stinking awkward, you guys. I apologize. So that's what that looks like. And another item that looks like a makeup product, which I'm excited about. Ooh, this is interesting. So this is the PYT Beauty, which that sounds familiar. I feel like I've heard of PYT before. The other brands I have not heard of. This one I feel like I've heard of. PYT. But this is a Glam Glitter Gel, a shimmery glitter for eyes and face. Okay, that's really cool. So beauty without the BS, in quotation it says bad stuff. That's really cute. Yeah, I feel like I have heard of this brand before. So this easy to wear glitter is perfect for day or night, sheer out for a natural look, or build up for more intensity. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. Ooh, packaging is really pretty. This color is super pretty. It almost looks like a gloss, but it's a glitter, like an eye glitter, I would imagine. So here's what it looks like. Ooh, that's really pretty. So it's almost like this really iridescent, like it could be a topper. So yeah, you could wear it really sheer, or probably build it up or put it on top of a color for like a little subtle sparkle. I'm gonna kind of just build it up right there. Doesn't have a smell that I could tell, but the packaging is really nice, and that's really pretty. Okay, and so there is just this one more item. So here's the last item, kind of wrapped up like this, making an extra surprise. Okay, so this is the NB or Nosh Body Vegan Bubble Syrup. So this is, I can't really tell if it has a smell or not, but vegan bubble syrup. So I'm guessing it's kind of like a bubble bath. So directions: run a warm water into your bath. Yeah. Shake a product to mix well. Open facing product away from your face. Pour approximately 3 tablespoons or more into running water. So like a little vegan bubble bath. That's super cute. And it says nourishing, organic, simple, and healthy. That's really cool. So, alright, so that was everything that came in this clean beauty kit for December for the holidays. I'm really excited about a lot of these things. Most of these brands I have not heard of before, so I think it's really cool to discover new brands that are not only clean, but also women run businesses that are based here in the US. I think that's really amazing and really important to support women and also US businesses. I hope you guys discover some new brands. Some of the things I'm most excited about, I love this scrunchie. Definitely, I'm super into like thrifting and upcycling and things like that. So is my daughter, so this will be a brand I'm definitely gonna have to look into and check out more of, because this is stinking adorable. I love it. Really excited about having a new mask to wear to work. I love this. This is super cute and it feels a really great quality. So very excited about that. Oh my gosh, the earrings, I'm super big into earrings. I love wearing earrings. And these ones like are really cute. So I'm really excited about that. A bubble bath. Oh my god, I actually have been really obsessed with taking baths lately because I, for work, am on my feet all stinking day for 8 hours. I have kind of a new position. I've actually, since my last video that I put up, which was my makeup basket video, I talked about how I get ready at like 5 in the morning. Well, after filming that video, I had switched to like a different position at work, and I go in even earlier. So my shift actually starts at 5 in the morning at work. So now I'm up at like 3 in the morning, getting ready around like 3:30 and stuff like that in the morning, and to be at work at 5 because I work 2 towns over. Anyways, but I'm on my feet all day. Lately my body has just been so tired and just so sore, so I've been taking a lot of baths lately and been really wanting bubble baths. So I'm actually really excited to try this. Now, I am not someone who is vegan, and I wouldn't say like I'm like only use clean products, though, you know, obviously that's a perk. But anyway, so it's still exciting to discover products that are better for you, better for the environment, and things like that. So that's really exciting to me. I'm excited about that. Definitely excited to try kombucha for the first time. Always something new. So anyways, really fun box. Just wanted to say thank you so much to Cassandra for sending this to me and helping me discover some new brands, new women to support. I really hope you guys enjoyed this kind of quick, random, awkward unboxing video, and that you guys would consider checking out the Clean Beauty kit and supporting Cassandra and checking out some of these other brands and supporting these amazing women. So anyways, with all that being said, I just want to thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, much love and hugs to you. Bye, beauty babes. Mwah!